Hey, good morning, everybody. This is the professor with Day Trading for Success. So I'm trading again with the students in the Bahamas. We're doing a little bit less share size, and we are going to be trading the half and whole dollar strategy. And I also am going to be giving away something for free here. It'll be I'll announce how to get it sometime during this video, and that'll be the brand new half and whole dollar script that you kind of see on my 1 minute chart right now. So for a limited time before that goes to the $1 Million Margin Club, who's actually purchased it, I'm going to be giving it away for free, and I'll tell you how to get it, where to find it on my videos. Okay, guys? So it won't be marked, so you got to stay and watch until I drop it. But you should watch all the videos anyway. All right, so we're going to be trading live here in just a few minutes. I've got everybody connected up on Zoom. There's still a couple of blank screens having some connectivity issues, but they should be here soon. Charlie's over here helping out. We're still setting the, do you guys have the, yeah, some of the people, they have their Starlink like coordinates. So let me just see what is happening here. You're working on that. We don't have very long here actually, so let's get this going soon. Once we start chatting, she's going to be handling, Charlie's going to be handling that in a few minutes. When that starts, you got that? She's got that link. So everything's good to go up there. And then we are in a studio here. So let me go over what we've got here real quick. Please read this disclaimer. I am not a licensed financial advisor. Please seek the advice of somebody who is licensed. We managed to get a few more people on, so we were kind of in a rush here right at the end. So this is a 1 minute chart. This is a scalping indicator. This is a reduced day chart down here. I have the active trader, the level 2. This is a 15-minute chart. This is a 5-minute chart with the MACD. I have a 1 minute chart reduced up here I won't be using for this. And then a 5-minute reduced, a 30-minute reduced, a 1 hour, and a 4 hour, all reduced. This layout that's been made available many times is so I can set up all these different strategies. Today what we're going to be trading is basically the RV strategy, but with a twist, and we're only going to be trading 500 shares of AMD so everybody could afford to trade. And we did have some not just slippage, we had some, the last time we traded, I can't remember what that was. I think it was, maybe it was Tesla. I can't remember what, but we had people that weren't getting filled, and it was a big debacle. It just wasn't enough volume. I didn't realize what was happening. Some people who weren't on Thinkorswim were getting very, very badly filled, and even a couple on Thinkorswim didn't get filled. So we've lowered our share size because we don't expect AMD to be very high on the volume either, and when that happens, that's bad news. So how we set up for this is we basically go to the close of yesterday. So the close of yesterday was $156.64. That's on my right of my picture up there. Then we look at the ATR down there, which is $6. So we divide that in two, which will be $3. We subtract $3 from the close to get a low range, and then add to get a high range. I call it the ATR range because we've taken the ATR and we divided it in half. That's our starting range where we're going to set our support and resistance, and we're going to look for the movement in that. But basically, we're not really doing support and resistance. We've done two different fib levels, and then we're going to be trading on the half and whole dollar. Now, a lot of people like this strategy more than the support and resistance. Let me get the fib first, actually. Let me show you guys how to do the fibs, because there's no subjective nature to this whatsoever. So basically, this is a 5-minute 10-day chart. So you're setting, you're snapping the line from the high to the low, or the low to the high, but it's always left to right is how you do it. So it just depends on what our price action is. And then you're going to get some support and resistance. We just got one yellow one in here. Then we did that same thing again on a 5-minute 2-day, which is right here. We set these on the bodies, not the wicks. And we got a couple more. We actually just got one more level and doubled up that one. So we don't have much to go on, but if it's anything like how it's been working, the half and whole dollars have been working really well, even more than I thought. Now I will be using the other indicators. Now I do have the market magnet up here. I'll have a link on how to get that. Mine does not have the labels. If you ever want to just take the labels off, if you go open up the script and you go, and they may, if enough people ask, they may make one available. I mean, I just don't like the labels. Some people love the labels, so you may be saying this is crazy, but you just get into the script. Anything that says label, get rid of it, and then the script should work if you don't accidentally take some other stuff out, so be careful there. But I'll be using the market magnet. I'll be using the multi-chart alignment across. That's a 5-minute, a 15-minute, a 30-minute, a 1 hour, and a 4 hour. That represents what all those people are looking at on their charts, what their candlestick colors are, up or down. So knowing how they're going to place their trade, because they'll place their trade based on the action of the time frame they trade in. This is a very, very helpful indicator. I'll have a link for that too. And then, of course, down here, the scalping indicator. The red are the sellers, the green are the buyers, the blue is the column, is the volume. Here's the percentage inside, so it shows you the sentiment inside each candle. This is like a one-of-a-kind indicator. This is free on this channel, so you can just go get this for free. So I think it's episode 83 where it says 10, type in 10 free indicators or something like that. There's 10 free indicators that we give away for free. Free, that sounds redundant, but so look for those. This is really the best one you want to get. But what I was starting to say before I showed you how we laid this all out, so this is the half and whole dollar one. That's every one of these lines, as you can see, highlighted over here, is marked at a $half or a whole dollar. Those are psychological support and resistance where people go in and out of trades. So those will be our channels other than the way the RV strategy explains. Now, if you don't know what the RV strategy is, you probably haven't watched this channel because people are sick of me talking about it a lot. But that's a link to that book, Day Trading Volume 1. So you're going to want to get that book, read that book, or I think the $1 Million Margin Club has a review. I know the $1 Million Margin Club has a review for it over on their channel. You can literally see page by page. But I highly recommend that you get the book and you trade that strategy in a sim first, but speak to a licensed financial advisor. Remember, I am not one, so you can't trust me or anybody else who's not licensed. So remember that. All these other people on YouTube who say that they have this winning strategy. If you just fill out this email and then you go over here and if you just do that, and then if you just join their whatever and then pay this $15 or $50 and then you get the answer of the strategy that's supposed to be the best strategy. Whatever. Sorry, I had to do it. We don't sell any courses here. Everything we give away free here. All the custom scripts that we have, all the layouts that we have, all the advice that we have, take it or leave it. And then we do have links to a lot of people that make tons of money when you buy their products, but these are products that we believe in. Trading in the Zone, Mark Douglas, that book, fantastic book. You should own it if you're a trader. You want to have Best Loser Wins, Tom Hougaard, another great author, another great book, and a great trader. You can still see him trading to this day. You've also got the $1 Million Margin Club, who has a whole series of books. They're the most serious ones that you'd want to get. Day Trading Volume 1, 2, and 4, at least. Day Trading Volume 2 is the Candlestick Pattern Playbook, and you'll be seeing me use patterns here as well. And then Day Trading Volume 4 is the open strategy, and we call that printing money around here. That came out a month or maybe it's even been a couple months now. I don't know, but time flies. But you know, we traded every morning. You know, this morning I made 900 with it, trading NVIDIA, and basically it's just a great way to start your day. And then today, I don't expect to make more than 1,000, maybe 1,500, trading 500 shares of a stock like AMD that only has a $6 ATR. Now, guys, if this is all a foreign language to you, it's a good idea to buy those Day Trading Volume 1. I buy all 4 of them if you want it, but 1 and 4 are study guides. So those are really good. And then if you want to learn patterns and they have flashcards, number 2, Day Trading Volume 2. So, and then so many videos in the archives here. I would just say that you'll see that you can make money following this style of trading, but you need to be careful. You need to know what you're doing. You need to trade in a simulator first. Now, what I'm going to be trading, and I'll be doing what they call quarterbacking here. When I say that we have students here, I think there's only 2 that are under 18, and they are under parental supervision to be able to trade through the New York Stock Exchange here. But they know how to trade, and they're from where I'm from, which is in the Bahamas. And so I still have a connection there, although I'm trading in the United States, and I am on the East Coast of the United States, trading the New York Stock Exchange. ET time right now is roughly just before 10 a.m., and we're about to start any minute. Everybody is ready, right, Charlie? We have people waving. Yeah, we don't need to start this strategy right at 10. Excuse me, I'm just going to look for the setup. So what is this strategy? It doesn't have a name yet because I'm still beta testing it, but we're relying a lot on the half and whole dollars, a lot on indicator specifics, and a lot on candlestick patterns. So I'll open up my a minute chart, and I'll be trading on 1 minute. Let me just everybody's ready. I have screens all around me. I also have somebody sitting on my left, which I'm not used to here today. And Alan has been out for the last few days, and I'm about to be out for a couple weeks. So, but I think they have a bunch of videos in the lined up to be put. I know they have a bunch of videos. I always act like I don't know. What I don't know is exactly when the stuff's going to be released, but I do know that I have been mic'd up for a bunch of videos that you do not have yet that'll probably be going out when I'm not actually here. Let me just get this 15-minute chart zoomed in so I can see a little bit of the action there. Let me get the 5-minute zoomed in so I can just see if we've got patterns I want to look at. Nothing there. So this 156.50 line seems to be getting respected a lot. So we keep banging off this, and the 150, well, look at go up. So guys, if this hits the 157, I will go in short. So I will go in short. If the market maker shows me 157, that'll be the first trade. So let's see if we can get up there. This is the market maker here. So now you're going to see me press these buttons. You're also going to see me reverse, which I don't recommend. These guys are doing it, but they've been trading with me. I took it right there, 95. Darn, it slipped off of it, but I went ahead and went in it. I thought I got it at 99, 98, but now it's right at 157. So it went down. I mean, it went down just right when I pushed it. So I would say that I would be worried about letting it get, halfway between 157 and 157.50, 157 and a quarter might make me call this into question. I'm actually going to take, that was way higher than I thought. I'm going to reverse again. I'm at 77. Made 175 bucks quick, guys. So, that was interesting. There is no slippage, which is fantastic. Going long at 156.69. Well, this one might have been a bad one. Yeah, it's right in the middle, really. It's a bad trade. I should have waited a second. I was getting excited by that. I was looking at the money, and I just thought, hey, I'll flip back and forth because there was no slippage. So it got me excited, but now I'm in a bad position. So it's not, it's not horrible because we have lower share size, but and this isn't moving. One thing about large caps, and this is a 25 billion minimum market cap that we trade. All right, so I'm going to reverse there again. Now I've got a little higher. God, I thought I was nearer to 80 there. Take it again. Oh, 70. It's even worse than I thought. I am slowly stepping up. 71 short. I think I lost money. I got 90 cents on that trade. So I paid more. There we go. Now I did not expect to be doing what I'm doing right now, but it's actually working. So I just broke 300. I'm at 156.62. I'm going to do it again. 156.66. 156.66. Take it again. I only got $3 out of those two trades. So I actually probably spent more on the exchange, frankly. So I gotta just cool my jets a little bit here. So That's at 60. Yeah, I don't know. I kind of like to get it a little bit higher toward the 157 here before I keep it. That's getting better. 60. It's just staying right here in the middle. So, you know, we want it to get out of this so we can actually make some, you know, $60, $100 trades instead of this funny business I'm doing, because I am paying probably $2 to $3 on the exchange for 500 shares. Couple of bucks maybe. Yeah, no, maybe not even that much. I'm sorry. This is 72 cents, I think, per trade. So, you know, that will add up if you know, oh dear, I did not expect that to happen. Yeah, guys, I didn't expect it to break that. So it seems like it's starting to go down. So let's get ready here. All right, I'm looking to turn around here. Let's see if I can get, I'm just going to take it there. So I got 385, and I'm not gonna turn around for a short gain here. So now it didn't really do much. They're right at the magnet. We're coming up to a 5-minute. Let's look at the multi-chart alignment. Now what I was doing right there was just doing some price shenanigans. I wasn't really looking at much of the. This is a block pattern right here. So let's take a look at what's going to happen with that. Now make sure you get day trading volume 2 to figure out your patterns. This peaks here. This most likely is going to go down. That's what it looks like. So I'm looking for it to go down off of this pattern. So you also got a doji right here, or a spinning top, which is the second. It didn't actually make the rest of that pattern. So no, we're just resting on this. So we need a breakdown off of this. So the seller's kind of dropped off here, which isn't giving me confidence to hold a short. I mean, God, it seems like I should just keep doing what I was doing there, huh? Jeez. Yep, most of you are over 2 to 300. There's one of you just broke 400 up there. That's good. Here we go. This is what I thought was going to happen a minute ago. Okay, now it actually made a second red candle for a second. So let's see if we can get it down to the next dollar down there. We'll take a look for that. Looking for 156 even. This is the best trade we've had today right now. If we don't lose it. For 156 even. Darn, it already dropped 100. Oh, I should have grabbed that to go back up with it. I thought it was going to go lower. I really did. That's surprising. Did any of you catch that? Yes, a couple of you did catch that, because you're right up with me now, and you weren't a minute ago. So here we go again. Now I don't want to lose this twice, so you may see me flip here. Yeah, I'm just going to take that, and I'm up to 600. It didn't make it to where I wanted to make it, but I'm going to look for a retracement, then go for the even dollar again. If it does retrace, or if it just hurts me, I don't know. Let's see what it's going to do. It looks like it's just going to keep going down. Is it going to give me a chance to go down with it? Yes, it did. I'm just going to take that $5 trade. I feel like it's about to plummet. Oh, I could have waited and got it higher there. We're looking for around 156. See if it holds. We've got a double fib below that. I'm going to take that. Got it 156.10. That got me to 695. I'll take that and try to hit the broke 735. Try to get to the get down closer to 156 again, or is it done? Is it done? Might make a big retracement here, so I got to be careful here. There was 08. Well, there we go. So I got it at 03. I'm going to take it again. 6. Take it again. Oh, that's not good. Okay, that wasn't a good one. Oops. I'm going to reverse right there because I feel it's going back down. Yeah, I think I just paid a bunch of trading fees and didn't get any money on those trades. That was just stupid. So, you know, if you start looking at the money to take quick ones on these little trades, then you lose perspective of where you really are on the chart, and that can be. So I'm looking at the 156 more to again, and then I might hold it off of that this time if it gets really. Instead, it keeps stopping right above it, and that's not really working well for me. So we're looking for 156 even, and then manage a bad position if it breaks through it. I'm low enough at 18 that I feel pretty comfortable holding here. That was 05, 03. That was 03. That could have been it. 5, 11, 10, 8, 6. I gotta take it. I'm just gonna take it there. 08. I got it at 08. Yeah, it seems to be bottoming out here, guys. So let's see if you can. Wow. So that's an inverted hammer. Those are supposed to be a top, really. So it's more like we've got a shooting star. Oh, wow, there we go. Is that going to, are we reconciling? That looks very odd to me. 6. No, what's going on here? Okay, there we go. All right, so that's what kills me. And that time I was looking at the bid, which was dumb. Oh, this is a good trade. All right, see if we can get near the 50. There was 35. I'm going to play it off the $0.50, guys. We're going to play the strategy. Play it off the $0.50. Try to reverse. Now, everybody's responsible for their own trades, and they all know it. That doesn't look like it's going to make it up there. Damn, we had a better trade there. I'm just going to take that. What did I get it at? 34? So it broke me 900. It's actually higher than I thought it'd be right now. See if it pulls us back down. So we're actually making a little bit of money with this stock, which is good. Now my goal every day is 5,000. I have a max loss of 500 per trade. I better not get anywhere near that with this stock, but you should always have a day trading plan. You should always follow it. Max loss per trade, max loss per day. So I don't really make a max loss per day with a stock like this because I know I will stop. I can trust myself to stop if I have like 3 bad trades. Then I guess I would call my max loss 1,500 then if that happened. So we're down here at the even dollar again, guys. It's a good trade. I'd love to see this magnet pull down if we're going to stay short, but the volume is very, very light. Sellers are winning out. You can look at the scalping indicator here. So, and these lines that I did not have to draw that just populate are fantastic. Remember, I will be telling you shortly how to get these. Hey, so we broke 156. I'm going to take that because it's got a double fib for support right here, guys. So I'm going to look for a retracement right there. Let's see. We know that the multi-chart alignment is saying go down. We're going back up. I broke 1,200, so I might make a couple thousand today. I'm surprised. More than that, actually, the way this is going. It's just slow action, but Maybe for some of you it seems like it's freaky fast, but you know, did that just pull down? This just pulled down, didn't it? Am I getting lost? Oh man, I got to get this problem solved. Or I know when that moves. I mess with my chart and then I can psych myself out like it moved. Now, why that matters to me? If this pulled down while I'm here, that is a very good sign that the price action is going to go right back down. So I have a matter of 1 to 2 minutes to play off that. And if it pulled up, then I have the oh, I don't have it set right. Oh, God. I didn't set it right. I didn't set it for today. I set it for 1 day. It's all right. I'm actually not even gonna use it today. I could change it, but I was thinking to myself that I want to try to prove that you can trade this strategy without this. So I'm gonna go for that today and see how we do. I should have got that. I'm annoyed at myself for not setting up my... I'm annoyed nobody else told me. They have various volume profiles / magnets that everybody uses, but this is reading data that's too far back. That's why it's not moving. This is a common mistake that rookies make. I am not a rookie, so it's annoying. We came in here. I have excuses. I was getting this indicator up and going, and I really have no excuse. But I'm going to make money anyway without it being set up right. I'm sure you want to see lots of videos where I use this market magnet and it works so good. Obviously, the scalping indicator is amazing and the multi-chart alignment. So we're looking for 156.50. I did not turn around yet. I could have caught a couple of these small ones, I think. The buyers are going up right now. I'm hesitant to. I could have captured this again. There it goes back down again. This is the part that I don't like about AMD. Now, this is the channel we should be playing, and I don't want to take a whole bunch of trades in the middle. I might get lucky, and I might not. And it's just, I want to play off the channel ceilings and floors, which are the half and whole dollars in this case. It's according to the RV strategy. So I would definitely get that book, guys, if you buy any book. That, and I would say Trading in the Zone. Those, if you can only afford 2 books, get those 2. Then get Day Trading Volume 4. Day Trading Volume 1 and Day Trading Volume 4 are very close to, for beginners, to even money as far as where to spend your money, because they're both so good. Dang, it's just sitting here, guys. I guess I'm going to have to start trying to play these again. It's just a little... Yeah, okay, I guess I'll take that and then look for a rebound. I'll take the 22, 156.26. So I'm like right here, my position. 156.26. Look at that. I'll take it off the dollar. What did I get for the half dollar? I got it exactly at 156.50. See it right there? And bank 1,400. See if it pulls back for me. I'm going to take that little 30 and try to go back up to the 150. Do it again. 47. See if it pulls down. Pulls down. I got 80 something dollars there for those 3 trades. Well, I only paid about $2.80 to make them. Now I'm asking. Now I got into trouble here. So go back up there. Come on. You were gonna see. You were stair stepping up there. See how it's stair stepping up? I was just kind of looking for that. See this price action coming in even on the day. That's pulling it forward. That's pulling. That's a very strong move since this is set for 1 day and not 2 day. So that's a very good sign that this is about to go up. So I'm going to hold with that anticipation. Here it goes. See? Exactly. And it's coming in to meet it. Come on, baby. Get up there. Go up. Let's go up to 157. Ah, it fell off. It looked like it was gonna go much further. I should have snagged it up there. Here it comes. Okay, it's about to be a move up. Let's get a move. There was 61. There's 80. Okay, 56 again. 57. Come on, 61, 65, 70. Well, there was a 70. I'm gonna take that. What did I get it at? 69. So I'm gonna stay short a sec. Wow, it's still going. It's still gonna break that. It broke the magnet. Oh, I should have held it to go to 157. Okay. Well, if it hits up here, that's my point of no. Well, at that point, it's probably worth riding it short. But I don't want to see it start playing up here. I'm gonna take a hit, get out. Yeah, yep. I shouldn't be short right here. This is not what we're looking to do here. Come on. Give me a chance to turn around here. We're looking to turn around here for a lesser loss. Almost there. I'll take that $4. $4 loss. So, and in anticipation that this is going to turn back around. So I've got it at 67. There was 74. I'll take that. I think I got money there. I was at 77. So everything is green. Multi-chart alignment. This is green. I'm going the wrong way. Just trying to catch some of these retracements, guys. That's what I'm looking to do. I'll get that. 1800. Take that. 73 again. 1890. I'll take it. Take it. I'll reverse at 170. Mainly, I just wanted to bank it and go the other way there. Yeah, it looks like it's pulling down. So we have a hangman here, guys. We got a hangman, and look at how the buyers dropped off the scalping indicator. Learn your patterns. So the only thing we've got going the opposite way is multi-chart alignment. So this one had, no, we didn't really make a flag. Now obviously the patterns on the larger time frame charts you would consider those to be more respected. And I probably made like 20 trades. So this is about $20 less than what it shows because of the exchange fees. It's $28.80 per million of value. So you take a million divided by 28.80, and then you see how many millions of this times 500 equal to how many millions. If you didn't know how to do that, but you can just ask online or ask ChatGPT or whatever. I'll take that. 156.57. Broke 1950. I thought I'd get it closer to the 50 cents, and I didn't, and it kept going. Seems like it was going down so fast that I wanted to grab it there. It's going to go back up, or am I in a bad position here? I'll take that 10. So 156.58. There we go. Take that. 47 now. I'm playing these little moves. I broke 2K. I'll take that. I've got it at 54. Seems like it's just going to play down here, so I'm going to try to snag some of these short moves. This is just scalping skill now, guys. Look at that. Wow, that was good. What did I get that at 44? I don't know how much money that was, but that's a good position if it happens to go back long again. Otherwise, it's not a good position, so we'll see what happens here. It's hard to call right here, honestly. I mean, you've got a channel right in here that it played, and then here it didn't quite make it to the 157. So our channel seems to be in between these two channels. So no, don't start doing that again. Is it going to go down here and play down in this channel? Looks like it might be, but this is pulling in, which means it's going to pull it up. I mean, these are just probabilities, you know, but I've watched this a lot, and since this is set for 1 day, that is a lot of volume. It snapped above the magnet now. Magnet came down. So the magnet doing that means it's pushing it down, but then all this volume just literally it inverted. It went above it. So it's kind of giving a mixed signal. Now these are past, you know, price sales, price action at these, you know, the volume at these price actions. You know, this is the how much volume as it comes across here. So that's at the 156.75. So we're below that. So there's a lot of people holding positions up in here. So, you know, you think about it going up in there, more holding it up here than down here. That's what that's telling us. But when I see a magnet go down, that usually means there's a bunch of the blue stripes, you know, these volume bars come in here, but when it pulled down, instead it went above it, which is a conflicting message here. So let's see if it can break that. I really want to see it. The volume's receding, as you can see. I really want to see it break this level, 156.50. I mean, I feel like I'm in a really good position to ride it right here, because if it starts to drop, I'm already down here in this position, so I have a little bit of leeway on a loss, like it's just happening right now. So. But this is sort of calm, the trading everybody was looking for. Everybody wanted to trade AMD. We didn't want to go more than 500 shares. Thought I'd make 1,000. I'm over 1,000, so that's good. So the price action is pretty strong. Volume's not too bad. It's staying up at over 150K. I'm starting to slow down the number of trades because it was going a little crazy there. Right at the magnet again. Do not want to reverse right here. I mean, up here maybe, halfway up, might see me reverse if it gets up there. We'll see. See what happens here. It's just resting on the 156.50 right there, right on that line. You can see the market makers just right there, right just above my position. Sometimes just below my position. There it goes. Now it's making a move. Okay, let's get up there a little higher. I'm going to start thinking about reversing on some of these. See if we can go a little higher here. Yeah, No, that's a shadow wick. High frequency algorithms. Can kind of mess with your pattern reading for sure. I would rather have it much more sensitive, you know, which is what I have it set up. Whoa, whoa, there we go. I'm actually going to take that, reverse on that, and hope it pulls back down a second here. Take that, start to head back out on the 58 mark. So I broke 2300. Does seem like it's making a play for 157 up there. Wow, I'll turn around at 157 if it gets near it, guys. But it's got a lot of strength right now, so I hesitate to, wow, I'm going to take that. That gives me 2400. Let's see if it pulls off down off that. Nope, 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 nope. We got to go. Just look at the scalping indicator. Look at the multi-chart alignment. I just started to really zero in on what I was looking at there, and it looked like everything is saying it's going to at least get to the 157. I did not want to be going short right there. And it might punch it. It might punch through it. That was 157. It hit it. Stopped. I could take that. It's very tempting. I'm looking for it to break out of there. Just getting tired of these little moves, but they are getting me the money slowly but surely. There's a couple people over 2,000. It's good. Am I in the lead? I am in the lead. I look to the far right. We have a really good trader. So if I can stay ahead of him, then we have a woman trading with us today, which is not always, so that's cool. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna take that, and I'm only because I'm trying to capture it. I'm gonna still play it high. Actually, I'm just gonna reverse again. Basically, I banked it, and then got right back in. I thought I might catch 20 or 30 bucks, but the way it was slowing there, it seemed like I could end up with a loss, so I decided to go right back in. So I'm at 157.11, and we're looking to get to 157.50. Can we get to 157.50? Look at it go, huh? There's 30. We're gonna end up with a pretty good day here, guys. It's 34. 43, 47, 48. Oh, it's right there. I'm getting ready to hit it, guys. There it is. I got it 51. Okay, so just get ready to get right back in it. Wow, look at that. Look at that go. So right now it's saying it's still going to go long. I'm going to go back in. I'm going back in to go long, guys. I'm going to take that. I'm trying to hit it short. I got to 2,800. Now, I don't expect everybody to be scalping like this. There is like almost no slippage, which is fantastic. So I'm going for these smaller trades where normally, but with only 500 shares, you're not going to get much slippage. Remember, these are multiplied by 100, and over half of it's not being shown. And Thinkorswim, if you're on Thinkorswim, gives you 2.7 times liquidity that they will guarantee you. I'll take that. 2860. I'm just playing this level for little scalps. Wanted to see it get over 20 bucks green before I reversed again, but now I'm getting worried. Yeah, I'm going for like $20 trades, and then if it goes higher, I'm happy with that. But right now, I feel like I need to turn around because it's staying red longer than I want it to stay red here. I might just, oh, there we go. $19.99. I'll take it. So I've got it at 157.41. Take that. Did I actually make any money there? God, it seems like it slipped. It didn't move. That's what it looked like to me. So now it should have been 3 cents times 500. So it should have been $15 there. Maybe I did. I don't know. Take that. I think I'm stair-stepping to 2,900, but man, these are getting to be baby trades. I just, you know, we're almost out of time, so I'm just trying to see what I can get here. Got another hangman there. Okay. You need to go back down. This is not, it looks like it's going to do a flat top breakout to me, and I'm worried about that. Although the buyers have gone down. I'm looking at the multi-chart alignment. If that magnet pulls up, I got to get out of the short position. Uh-oh. It's getting stronger to break out there. I want to see some green here, any kind of green. I'll take that. I got it 157.36 long, guys. This just seems to be staying the same. All those trades, I'm paying like, whatever, 75 cents. Normally, I wouldn't even think about it, but we are doing a little bit lower money than usual, so. Now, this is a fantastic living for somebody by trading the RV strategy or this offshoot of it. You know, think about that 5 days a week. That'd be pretty good. I go for 5,000, so I'm a little spoiled. But even if you're making $200-300 a day, guys, I mean, you're changing your lives, right? So these are really good strategies for beginners. So I am going to tell you that this script right here, if you go to the very first episode and look at the bottom of the information, there will be a script there waiting for you to get this for free. I'll leave it there for a little while for those that have stayed this long and watched this video. So at the very, very first episode, episode 1, the very bottom of the information, well, look for a script. It will not be marked. It'll just be a script there. So hopefully you guys can get it if you're interested in it. That's a pretty good. I didn't catch that. I was talking, telling you how to get the script, and I didn't catch that move. I should have caught that move. That was bad. I got to reverse. I'm going to take a hit there. This is going straight down. Darn. So I could have been over 3K. That was just not smart. So I'm at 157.28. Going short, and I could have caught it right here as it broke down. So I saw the multi-chart alignment all turn red. I wanted to take a trade before the 10:30 minute was over so I could hold it for a little longer, see if I could break 3K here. So the way we do the competitions, if you're in a trade at the half-hour mark after after market opens, not when we start, because we start a little early. Half hour after market opens, you're allowed to keep that trade as long as you want. But the second you get out, then you're done. You can't take another trade as far as the competition, but you can take another trade after you take a picture of your screen. Wow. Okay, so this is a good trade. So I broke it. Wow. Wow, it's going even better. I'm going to hold that. This is my last trade. It's going to be a good one. Makes up for that terrible thing I just did. I missed. Looking for the 156.50 now, right by the magnet. That's what I'll be looking for. Really glad I turned around. I was looking at the multi-chart alignment and the way that the buyers were kind of inconsistent and dropping off the top of the volume columns. I've talked about it a lot, how when it drops off the top of the volume columns, even though buyers are winning, when they drop off the top of the column, it's a sign. So then you start looking at other stuff. And then I looked up and I saw that the multi-chart alignment up there was all red but the 1 hour. And I said, hey, and then of course we had a flat top, you know, so I'm like, hey, it's not going to break it, it's going to go down. And then I was talking, I could have sold right there and gone short, and I didn't, just trying to re-explain what happened here. So nothing's changed for me to try to catch this, because if I got out, I'd have to stop in the competition. And I'm literally neck and neck with somebody that I want to beat, so I think he should get out right now. So let's see. Darn it. Maybe he did get out and he is the smarter person. Wow. So I definitely, yeah, that's not. Is that going to turn around? Because there's a tweezer going up, which would put it all the way back up to the flat top it here. That's a tweezer move right there. So I think that's like, you know, 76 or 78% accurate. But look, it's breaking it, so that's good. Oh, he got out. He did get out. Okay. So it's just me. I'm the only one left. Sorry, guys. I'll get out in just a second. I'm going to see if this takes the plunge. It looks like it wants to big time. There it goes. Well, I know I'm ahead because he was at 2,900. So if I don't drop below 3,000, I've got to. Wow, that was good. Okay. Oh, look at the price coming in right above the magnet. Yeah, it's pulling it down. Let's go down, guys. Come on. 63. 56, 50. I'm going to take that one. I think I got it at like 45, and it's going to keep going. But that's, and everybody's waiting, so. Okay, guys, so remember where I told you how to get that free script. It will be there for you. And I won't keep it up there forever because this is going to be ending up going to the $1 Million Margin Club. But if you're interested in it, it covers over a, I think it's a $15 period from open. So pretty much, unless it's way out of, and the only reason it's not covering everything is because what happens is you just make it too big of a script, and then it starts to slow the platform down. And I like to have a bunch of scripts open, so I don't want anything. So covering it over $15 is plenty. That gives you 30 lines basically. So from the open, you'll get 750 up and 750 down, roughly. And you then after that, you just have to look or draw your own line in. But it will always, it won't reset. It goes from the open. I mean, every day it resets, obviously, but it makes things really easy. I colored it very light, so it wouldn't be very. Now you've got the, the multi-chart alignments right going up this way, very, very light, and then you have these going this way, and they're very light. They were white, and I made them white, and it was just too bright. So, and then my market magnet wasn't set correctly today, but I will, I would recommend that, the multi-chart alignment and the scalpers indicator, at least if you trading the RV strategy. If you're trading this strategy, which is unnamed still, I had to get a name on it. And there's a lot of comfort in these half and whole dollar lines, and I always say make note of them no matter what you're trading, because there's such a psychological support level for so many traders. But anyway, $3,285, not bad for about 35 minutes of trading. Everybody here's cheering. Yep, so everybody did good up there. All right, guys, thanks for watching, being here, and thanks for your support. Don't forget to subscribe and stay inquisitive out there, and go green, and I will see you soon.